Tonight I'm cooking like it's my last battle. Let's do this. Here to get in my way tonight, please welcome Chef Amanda Freitag and Chef Geoffrey Zakarian.
Yes.
Let's do this. I've never seen you so dressed down.
Right?
Shows up with a golf shirt.
I'm ready to go. You want to play after this?
Sure, absolutely.
You're going to be okay after your loss?
Well, one thing at a time. Who you got tonight?
Our first contender has spent years mastering Indian cuisine. Give it up for Chef Kiran Patnam.
Our next contender is combining his fine dining skills of the West with his ancestors' recipes of the East. Here's Executive Chef Jonathan Wu.
Kieran, Jonathan, welcome. What's your goal tonight?
To beat you.
How about you?
Cook some good food, see what happens.
Oh, we're just gonna sit down and have dinner?
If you want.
But first, you must go through each other. So I'm gonna give you guys a single ingredient to make the star of your dish. And that ingredient is cockles.
Yeah.
Cockles in 20 minutes. Sounds simple, doesn't it?
The first priority is to get the clams cooking. I'm steaming them with shallot and sherry. Clams are used in Chinese cuisine, but my foundation in terms of culinary technique is French. So I'm making clam toast with a sherry cream sauce.
I'm using garlic, white wine, peppers, and onion for the base for my broth. I think Indian flavors may be a little too strong for these cockles. So I'm making white wine steamed cockles with fried cockles and toasted crostini.
I'm sauteing some bacon to add some sweet, meaty flavor.
Karen, you okay?
I'm good.
I'm putting my steamed cockles in the bowl with some fried cockles, my toasted crostini, and then fresh basil.
Jonathan, you have 40 seconds.
I put cockles and clam cream on the toast. And I garnish with scallions, tarragon, jalapeno, and lemon juice.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I didn't put the bacon on it. I feel like my dish is incomplete. I'm worried that it's not gonna be enough to send me to the next round.
Chefs, tonight is all about taking down Bobby Flay.
Chef Jonathan, please describe your dish.
It's a clam toast with a sherry cream sauce.
You were really brave to take cockles out of the shell in the amount of time that you had, and they're perfectly cooked. I think what happened, though, is the clam flavor got left somewhere. It's not soaked into this bread, so it becomes a little bit bland.
When I heard clam toast, I thought that was a very good idea. It reminded me of escargot. For me, I think you could have had a higher degree of success if you had got a bit more seasoning into the bread, because now I'm tasting the clams and the chili and the tarragon, but the bread's sort of just flat underneath it.
Thanks.
Chef Kiran, what did you make today?
So I made white wine braised cockles along with fried cockles and toasted bread on the side.
It's a nice broth. It's really clammy, and that taste of the sea really comes through, and I so appreciate that. Clams are cooked well, although it's very buttery. After a couple of mouthfuls, it gets really rich.
I agree with Geoffrey about the clam broth. It's very flavorful, but this whole dish needs a big squeeze of lemon. Just missing balance because of the high level of that butter. The chef who will be moving forward is Chef Kiran.
Chef Kiran, congratulations on winning round 1. How are you feeling about round 2?
I'm feeling 100%.
Wow.
So why don't you tell us what we're cooking?
My signature dish is butter chicken.
Butter chicken?
Butter chicken masala, Indian style.
Oh, I got this.
45 minutes, and your time starts now.
Go!
I'm using whole wheat flour, olive oil, salt, and a little bit of water. I need to give enough time to rest the dough so it will puff up very nice.
In 4 minutes, he's made bread already. That's incredible.
My signature dish is butter chicken masala with puri bread, cucumber relish, and cilantro. This dish has a lot of richness from the butter, so my twist is the pickled shallots and Fresno chilies, which makes it very unique. For my curry, I mix cumin, coriander powder, chili powder, ginger and garlic paste, garam masala, which is cinnamon, cardamom, cloves blended together, and salt.
So I know this dish calls for a lot of butter, but I'm gonna make a little bit of a lighter version that's not as heavy and dense. We're both using curry, which is actually a blend of spices. Kiran is making his own mixture, but I'm gonna take a shortcut and use a good quality curry powder. I'm using chicken thighs because they stay nice and moist. And for my marinade, I have curry, yogurt, and ginger, chili diarbo, and lime juice.
Bobby, what's in that bowl?
Chicken. You want these? I actually made a version of butter chicken masala on Throwdown, and we won, actually. I don't remember that recipe, it was too long ago, but I have a good idea what it is. I'm gonna make a butter chicken masala with a green pea crispy rice and top it with crispy chicken skin.
Adding pickled elements gives the depth of flavor and a break from the richness of the butter. I started with my red wine vinegar and sugar in a sauté pan. Then I sliced Fresno chilies and shallots.
Bobby, you taught you how to open a can.
For my curry sauce, I'm cooking ginger, garlic, tomatoes, coconut milk, garam masala. I'm using some fresh lime juice just to kind of counterbalance the flavors.
What is lime juice doing? What are you doing there? And he looks like he's doing a jambalaya over there. Bobby, is that jambalaya or chicken masala?
I think you're getting the silent treatment right now. It's not traditional.
No, it's not.
At all.
Is not?
Nope.
Starting today, it is.
I think he's in trouble. Another day of losing for Mr. Flay.
I want to garnish with some sliced almonds. I don't have time to saute it, so I'm deep frying it.
Oh, I think that Kiran is gonna go fry his bread now.
When the puri is deep fried, it will puff up, and then the bread is light and crispy.
2-minute warning. Got some butter in my chicken. Got some butter in my rice.
He's got about a half a stick of butter.
So I put down the crispy rice and the butter masala. Then I top it with some lime zest and some crispy chicken skin.
First, I start with my bread and scoop butter chicken masala into copper pots. I top it with some pickled Fresnos, pickled shallots, almonds, and cilantro. I place my cucumber relish on the side and a little bit of butter for the good luck.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think my presentation is just okay. It's just a bowl of rice and some stew, but I think the flavor is actually good.
I look over at Bobby's dish. It's too simple, too easy, nothing complex. At this point, I already won.
Kiran, Bobby, congratulations. Now it's time to be introduced to the judges.
The executive chef and founder of Food Matters NYC, Trisha Williams.
The executive chef and owner of Graffiti Earth, Jahangir Mehta.
And the co-owner of King's Co. Imperial, Tracy Jane Young.
Judges, tonight's challenge, butter chicken masala. Please start with the plate in front of you.
I was immediately taken by the presentation. I love the traditional little copper pot, cucumber on the side, the pillowiness of the puri bread. The chicken was really nicely cooked, but I did think the sauce was a little bit oily on the chicken.
I love the flavors on the chicken, the spices, the pickled onions with the crispy almonds. The sauce for me seems to be breaking down, the fat separating from it a bit.
The aspect of it breaking, I understand where you're coming from, but this is how I have seen it growing up. And that's how it's done, which is amazing. I believe this has been whole wheat bread, which is a good choice versus using white bread. I think adding another layer of almonds being oily again on your palate, I would have avoided that.
Okay, judges, would you please switch your plates?
What I like about this dish is it seems like a really healthy makeover of the traditional dish. It's a lot lighter. I love the texture of the crispy chicken skin on top. The tomatoes, for me, seem like they need a little more seasoning. They're a little bit acidic.
I really like the aspect of a different take on a very traditional way of doing it. Adding the peas, giving the mustard seeds that warmth of flavor. I think that was fantastic. The crispy rice, a little bit on the al dente side. That was the only thing I'm not thrilled with.
I thought all these flavors worked really nicely together. I got the tenderness of the chicken, the tanginess of the tomato, and the sweetness of the peas. The chicken skin, I didn't really get much crispiness from it.
Judges, would you please take a vote?
And the winner is